Hello guys, this is Adam on Adam's Toys Reviews and More, showing you a animated Jingle Bell Rock head swaying dog that waddles. Yes, I found him in a charity shop yesterday. Here goes. Oh, and due to human nature, as you can see, the hat has come loose. It was like that when I bought him, so please don't nag me saying, oh, it's broken, it needs to be stitched back on, yada yada yada. I already know that for a fact. So that is something that I'll be doing in 2 weeks' time. I'll be repairing the hat on them, so you can see what I mean. But other than that, he sings a version of Jingle Bell Rock, and his head moves. So without further ado, here he goes. And he waddles. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this dog. Sorry if it's too spastic for people. This has been Adam's Toys Reviews and More, signing off. Bye.